Good afternoon, everybody. This is SollyJo from WoodUbend, and I'm not in my usual studio today. I am behind the studio where we've got the staging walls, and we are going to do Posh Hippy lace today. I am using my tape to stick it to the wall because I can't hold this stencil all on my own like I do with the others, and I don't want to make a mess. I probably will make a mess, but do you know what? I just want to see what the pattern comes out like. So I'm just popping some of this low, I'm going to say this right, low viscosity tape. That basically means that it's not going to stick to my wall and pull the paint off the plaster. So you don't want to use duct tape or anything like that. Sea Spray by Dixie, Belle, which is a textured additive. And I've mixed it in with my new favourite colour, Holy Guacamole. And this is the colour that I have come up with. So you can see the consistency there. That's the consistency of my paste. And it is gritty inside. So I'm using a little palette knife that one of our lovely stockists, Rima, brought me. Like that. Looking good. You can't see anything. It just looks like a big holy guacamole smudgy mess. I'm getting more confidence up here now, coming in with my bigger, what are these things called? No, it's not spatula. It's what are these things called, guys? What are these things called? Trowel? Trowel.
I think it is a trowel.
This is a very big stencil, guys. I'm going to pop it down as I'm going down. You can see my messy trolley here. Blended lentils. Have you ever had blended lentils? I like blended lentils. Yeah, the really light green lentils. Right, I've just discovered some there. It's all, you see that?
Oh,
Yeah.
Someone asked, does the stencil wash okay if it dries in?
I don't really know how this stencil is going to clean because I'm not going to be cleaning it. Somebody else is, namely Laura. Always put your finger next to where you're pulling something off or where you are using your trowel or your brush. Always hold the stencil down with your finger. And I think there's an awful lot of material on this stencil, so as soon as we get it outside, we're going to try and scoop some back up and put it back in the dish. Right, guys.
There we go.
Okay.
Filming now.
Where's the bird stencil gone? Bird stencil gone?
No phone on this
Okey-dokey.
side. Please do not swear.